morning from Chernomorets, another seemingly deserted little seaside town by the Black Sea in Bulgaria. Now, if you haven't watched the other 3 parts of this mini-series, go and check those out first. In Burgas, Nesebar and Sozopol. Let's go and have a look around here. Now, I started off this morning in Sozopol, jumped on the bus to get down here. Only about a 15-minute ride. Cost 2 lever, which is 89 pence, or about €1. And having just walked through the town, I've been wrong before, but I can't see this being a very long video at all. So I have seen one thing on Google Maps, and I think we'll have to go and check that out, because other than the beach and a deserted town, there ain't a lot going on here. Let's go. Just so no one can accuse me of not being truthful about Chernomorets, I've just walked through basically a construction zone wasteland, but the only reason I wasn't filming was because of the noise, so it's a little bit rough around the edges here, and that might be kind of kind. If you're wondering where the hell I'm going, I'm starting to wonder that as well. So if I die out here, retrieve my memory card and someone edit the video for me. Weather out here today is much the same as it was in Sozopol yesterday. Highs of about 16, 17 forecast. Mostly sunny with a few clouds. Nothing to complain about, certainly. Still wearing a t-shirt. November the 10th today. Right, I seem to be making some progress down this country road. Let's stop and have a look at the map and see what's going on. Right, I've still got quite a way to go, it turns out, but at least I can see the sea again now. And there does seem to be signs of life, as someone just drove past me. Quite what they're driving down here for, I don't know, so we'll see. Place your bets now. Are they dumping a package of drugs off the cliff? Are they hiding a body in the woods? Who knows? I'm going to put the camera away for a bit now, because it basically looks the same the whole way down here. And when I find something interesting, which hopefully is going to happen, I'll get you back out. Reached the sea again, so at least I've got some nice views. It's been about 25 minutes, maybe 30-minute walk down here. We'll carry on. Tunnel looked somewhat ominous. Let's keep going. Well, there is something down here after all. This is Cape Akra, and I presume what I can see in front of me is Cape Akra Fortress. There is a few people down here as well. There's a few cars parked up, so let's go and explore. The difference between the 2 sides of the cape is pretty crazy here. It's almost still, and over that side it's crazy. The waves look pretty intimidating over that side, it's crashing against the shoreline. Right, let's ascend up these steps and see what we can see up the top. continue on now past the remains of the fortress, back into the bush it seems. Let's see what we can find atop these cliffs at the end of Cape Akra. Overgrown in here. I wouldn't say it's giving me any trouble, but it's not very pleasant. I'm glad I wore trousers again today. Back past the little memorial cross on top of that deteriorated building. And we come out to the end of the cape and some more absolutely spectacular views. So that's everything from Cape Akra. I'm going to head back to the bus station now, or am I? Just wait a second. There seems to be a strange bunker now. This does seem like the setting for a horror movie, but I wouldn't be a very good YouTuber if I didn't go in, so here it goes, I suppose. Dead end. Back in we go. That doesn't look entirely promising, the fact that the roof is caved in. I'm not sure this is one of my more intelligent ideas. Yeah, there's a few too many collapsed roofs in here for my liking. I think it's time to get out of here now. Right, that was a nice little detour. I hope you like my acting skills as well, because obviously I knew the bunkers were there. I didn't realise they'd be in such poor condition. I didn't realise they'd be absolute pitch black either, so I did have to use my mobile phone light to see what was going on in there. I've made it back into town now. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video as well as the others in this little mini series. Please remember to give it a like, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you in Istanbul.